In this session, you are going to demonstrate using the code that you should have learned in the last two. So what I want you to do is I want you to demonstrate creating and open files. I want you to demonstrate writing and appending files, and I want you to demonstrate reading from a file. Okay, so just a reminder, the way you work with a file is you have to open the file. The command is there for you. Don't forget the X can be W for write, A for amend, or R for read. You then do something with the file. So to write to the file, you can use the name of the variable that you assign to the file, .write, and you can only write string values to the file. To read from a file, you can use a for loop to iterate through the file, assigning the name to a second variable, and then you can print that variable. Example of this is on the right hand side of the screen for you. Don't forget, import random is the way you generate random numbers. Random.ranInt gives you a number between the first one and the second one inclusive. To add a line break, you use \n, and remember to close the file after reading and writing to the file. Your task to demonstrate this is I'm asking you to make a program that simulates picking numbers for the National Lottery. The National Lottery works by you picking 6 numbers between 1 and 59. What I want your program to do is pick the 6 numbers and then write them to a file called mypicks.txt with 1 number per line. The program must then also allow you to read the numbers from the file and display them on the screen. I've broken the task down into 3 main sections for you. For the developing task, you need to open the file called mypick.txt for writing. You need to write 6 numbers between 1 and 59 to the file, and you need to be able to close the file. For secure, I want you to include a line return after each number that you enter to the file. I also want you to open the file in read mode and display the contents of the file to the screen. To show me you have mastered this completely, I need you to generate the 6 numbers using the random method demonstrated before. I want you to display the numbers from the file, but I want you to remove all line breaks, and I want you to use a second method to display the numbers to the screen for me. To complete this lesson, I would like you to upload an image of your code for the developing, secure and mastered as far as you can get, and I want an image of any output that your code produces.